Okay, so we have problem 4, sum 2. So given four integer arrays, nums1, nums2, nums3, and nums4, all of length n, return the number of tuples I, j, k, l, such that the nums1 of I, nums2 of j, nums3 of k, and nums4 of l, they all equal to 0. So I'll be honest here, I had to watch a sort of walkthrough to this one. It was a little bit complicated to kind of understand, but it's actually super easy when you kind of break down the problem in this. So first things first, if they're all equal to, if the addition of all these is equal to 0, then we have to realize that the addition of these two is equal to the negation of these two. So what we're going to do when we use that, what we're going to do is we're going to first make um, a map to store our sums and our negations. So first we'll do that. So then we'll do for every, we have to find every single combination. So for every int I in nums1, and for every int j in nums2, right? So what we'll do is we'll do int sum is equal to I plus j, and we will put in the map, the negation. So map dot put, we'll put the negative sum of, and then the map dot get or default. So we're going to do a count. We're going to count how many times this happens. So map dot get or default, negative sum, or 0, and we'll do +1. Right, so now we've put all the negations in. So we'll do the rest of it. So int k of nums3, and for int l of nums4, we're going to do, we have to make the total. So int total, or count is equal to 0. So we're going to do count plus equals we're going to do map dot get or default. We're going to do sum. So int sum is equal to k plus l, and get our default to sum or 0. And I'm just going to return the count. So run. Cool. Let's submit. Nice. So just again walk through. So given our inputs, we want to find out how many times each, how many tuples exist, such that the output, or the addition of all the values is equal to 0. And so that's why we have this map story. So, we have, for example, we have I and j first, right? So I and j. So we'll have 1 and -2, then we'll have 1 and -1, we'll have 2 and -2, and 2 and -1. But, so the count of these is just going to be one of each. So there'll be 4 entries with one of each. But it could, be, it could be the case that it was like -1 and 2 here, and then -1 and 2 again. So it would just increase that count, and there's 2 possibilities there. So when we then sum up the count here by the getter default, we are counting every possible combination. Yeah, that's it.